So you want to hard or factory reset your JBL 510 Tune Bluetooth headphone, right? Why don't you stay with us? We can show you how to completely reset your JBL headphone and restore the default configuration. Now before resetting, if possible, it's recommended just go ahead forget or unpair your JBL from the device it's connected to right now. Now, if your headphone is turned off, first just press on this power button for 4 to 5 seconds to turn it on till you see a blinking white light. Now after that, if it settles to a solid or a blinking blue light, it doesn't matter. You can perform the reset either way. Now to reset your headphone, press on this power button for 10 seconds till all the light goes out. After that, press on the same button for 10 seconds to turn it on again. Your hard reset is now complete. Now after that, you can just go ahead, repair or reconnect JBL Bluetooth headphone to your favorite device. So that's how you can factory reset your JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphone. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.